Hi, this is Olivia Mounts, and this is my Week 7 discussion board post over our research papers. In my paper, I decided to discuss tariffs and the impacts that they have. As a little introduction, what are tariffs? Tariffs are taxes imposed by one country on another country's imported goods or products. They are typically used to generate revenue for the country and as protection over domestic industries. They have been a significant topic in recent news due to Trump coming back into presidency. Him and his administration has a heavy emphasis on heightening tariffs for certain countries. In my research paper, I discuss how tariffs can be detrimental to the country. Even though they sound great in theory, they can lead to higher costs for imported goods, cause trade conflicts, and can cause citizens as consumers to struggle to adapt to change. My first reasoning is higher costs. Tariffs lead to higher costs for imported goods. Many industries rely on imported goods, and tariffs would cause these goods to become more expensive, which negatively impacts industries and the country as a whole. One of the biggest industries affected by tariffs is agriculture. Tariffs would cause a price increase in goods like vegetables, fertilizers, and livestock, which some farmers depend on. So this not only affects them, but us as consumers as well. And imposed tariffs can cause a ripple effect on our economy and impact each part of the production chain. My second finding is the trade conflicts. Tariffs can cause trade conflicts between countries. Imposing them unbalances international trade relationships. Retaliatory tariffs occur when one country imposes tariffs on another country, and in return, the other country imposes their own tariffs, which kind of just also ties into the unbalancing of the trade relationships. And lastly, these trade conflicts can spill into other countries not initially involved because of how significant global trade is. My final finding is about the consumers. Tariffs can cause consumers to struggle to adapt to change. They are often set in their ways and struggle to adapt to change in their environment. Imposing tariffs causes products to become more expensive because of the boosted manufacturing costs. Consumers may not be able to afford these goods, or, out of stubbornness or other reasons, may just avoid buying them altogether. This can also cause there to be less of a variety in products. Consumers are used to having a wide variety to choose from, so they may struggle to adapt to higher prices on certain goods or lower quality products. Because the higher prices on imported goods may cause manufacturing companies to lower the quality of their goods if they are getting it from within their own country. In conclusion, imposing tariffs can have its benefits. However, they have many detrimental impacts that overshadow the positives. It is extremely important for citizens to know what tariffs are and their effects since they are becoming more relevant in recent news. This allows individuals to understand what is happening in the government and how it affects them as citizens. I did not really know much about tariffs until I got into this class and we had a discussion board post over them, which made me want to dive deeper into them and figure out what they actually are. They were never really discussed until Trump resurfaced the discussion. This is my works cited page. Thank you for listening.